Welcome, friends and Potterheads. We are in the Goblet of Fire, Chapter 5. This is Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. That's a bit of a mouthful. In this chapter, we have Mrs. Weasley not very happy with Fred and George particularly. They have not been doing well on their OWLs, and she holds working for the Ministry of Magic in very high regard. She believes it's where she would like to see her children work, where they have an opportunity for a career, where they will be paid well so that they don't have to live poor, and she wants the best for them. Unfortunately, that's not the direction that Fred and George want to go. Fred and George are very entrepreneurial. Not that they're not smart and that they couldn't do well on their OWLs, but they choose not to. They choose to spend their energy and their time elsewhere. Where are you also experiencing something like this where somebody else's expectations don't match what you're interested in, what drives you, what motivates you? There could be lots of different places. Often we see it in career choices when we're going to post-secondary, different types of schools, those sorts of things. And in those cases, you might have to work on a way to navigate this conversation with a mom, with a parent, or somebody who is in your importance in your life. You might have to negotiate that a little bit. You might have to slow down your pace. You might have to make some compromises. You might have to find a way of communicating to them in a way that they understand that your happiness is when you are pursuing the thing that motivates you, the thing that you are interested in, and that you need to at least have that opportunity to experience. And how can they best support you in getting to that point? How can they best support that? Maybe it's entrepreneurial endeavor that you're trying to work on. So it's not an easy process, and sometimes having a coach in play to help you navigate that can be really beneficial. Having a third party that's outside that might be able to look at where there's some opportunities where you can compromise and negotiate with somebody who might have a slightly different opinion of where your efforts are best applied. If this interests you, please reach out to me. And in the meantime, I wish you all the best. We'll see you here back next week. Take care. Bye now.